Hey Paro, good video. Yeah, I like where you're going with that at the end. So I'll be interested to see how you develop this along the way. It was just I noticed that you mix some speculative statements in along with some empirical facts, and I think it's to be serious pointed out in some of the text that I can imagine that comes from the selfish gene. Um, and I'd like to read a wee passage out of the selfish gene and then compare it with a passage written by Dennis Noble, and see what you think. So here's the wee passage. I hope you can hear this okay. Um, Genes swarm in huge colonies, safe inside gigantic lumbering robots, sealed off from the outside world, communicating with it by tortuous, indirect routes, manipulating it by remote control. They are in you and me. They created us, body and mind, and their preservation is the ultimate rationale for our existence. So I'll reread that passage as it's written by Dennis Noble. He keeps the empirical facts in, but changes the speculative statements. Genes are trapped in huge colonies, locked inside highly intelligent beings, moulded by the outside world, communicating with it by complex processes through which, blindly, as if by magic, function emerges. They are in you and me. We are the system that allows their code to be read, and their preservation is totally dependent on the joy that we experience in reproducing ourselves. We are the ultimate rationale for their existence. Now obviously both of those can't be right, but I think as Dawkins pointed out himself, he can't think of any sort of experiment that would determine which of them was right. So I think that goes back to your talk about biases and your talk about the importance of language in discussions. So I thought to throw that in, and I'd be happy to hear what you think about it. All the best. Peace.